Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to buy coin in KuCoin, guiding you through the essential steps. First, you'll need to create and secure your KuCoin account, ensuring two-factor authentication is enabled for safety. Next, fund your main account. You can deposit fiat currency using various payment methods or transfer over 700 different cryptocurrencies directly from another wallet. This initial step is crucial for beginning your trading journey on the platform. Once your account is funded, transfer your assets from your main account to your trading account. Then head over to the spot trading section. Here, you can select your preferred cryptocurrency pair, like Bitcoin versus Tether. You have two main order types. A limit order lets you set a specific buy price, while a market order executes immediately at the current best price. Enter your desired amount and confirm your trade. Beyond spot trading, KuCoin offers other ways to acquire crypto. The P2P marketplace allows you to buy directly from other users using various local payment methods. For quick exchanges, the convert feature lets you swap between supported cryptocurrencies with ease. Remember to always be mindful of trading fees, which are typically around 0.1% per trade. Always prioritize your account security by enabling all available protections. After successfully buying crypto, it's important to manage your assets effectively. You can easily monitor all your purchased coins within your main and trading accounts. If you wish to move your funds, you can withdraw your cryptocurrency to an external wallet whenever you need. Staying informed about market trends and platform updates will help you make better decisions. KuCoin supports over 700 cryptocurrencies, offering a diverse portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.